How to remove mixed playlist from YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that media. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the three lines at the top left. After you click on the three lines at the top left, and here click on playlist. After you click on playlist in here, click on playlist at the top and you'll find your mixed playlist. Simply click on your mixed playlist and you'll find it play in this way. Then on the right side, click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots on the right side, at the top you'll find here delete. If you don't find it here, what you can do is click on the three dot beside videos and then one by one remove by clicking on remove from playlist. After you do that, you're good to go. This is our remove mixed playlist from YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.